Hi, boys and girls. I'm in the kitchen at A Child Becomes. A lot of you know the kitchen. We have our salmon still in the tank. Our little baby co-hosts are swimming away, and I'm going to feed them today. You can watch me do that when we're done baking. Right now, I've washed my hands and I've got my apron on, and I'm all ready to show you how Grandma Dorothy and I make her cookies. And first of all, you have to put up your hand and say, I promise I will keep her recipe a secret from the rest of the world. Okay, thanks guys, because her recipe is kind of special. She does certain things that not very many people do when they bake cookies. So here is her recipe. Okay, and the first thing we're going to start with is 1 cup or 1 cube of melted butter. So I took butter out of the wrapper and I melted it, and I'm going to put it into my bowl. 1 cube of melted butter. And then I'm going to take sugar. This is my CH sugar bag, and I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar into my melted butter. And then I'm going to stir. Maybe 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, I'm going to add 1 egg. So, crack it. You can do that with 1 hand. Can't believe it. Don't you try that. When you get any eggshells, you can always pick them out. All right, and mix it all around. So that's my 3rd ingredient. Let's see what is next on our list. 1 cube of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and there's a little bottle, and it says 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So I have my vanilla, and I'm going to put in my closest thing to a tablespoon, which is right here. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and I'm going to mix around. Mix, 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 mix. Then I add 1, 2, 3 and a half cups of flour. Flour gets in this really big bag from Costco. So I'm going to put in, let me count, 1, 2, 3, and a half cups of flour, and then I am going to add something called baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder added to my mix. And then I'm going to mix, and I'm going to count to 20 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's getting hard to stir. Maybe you'll need a mom or dad or a babysitter. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now I'm going to use my very clean hands, and I'm seeing mine is actually a little bit dry, so I'm going to add a little bit of water, maybe a half a cup of water. Just to make sure it can form a ball. I'm going to mix it up, and once I can form it into a ball, I'm going put it in the refrigerator and wait 1 hour for it to chill. So I'll come back to you